Hello guys, so welcome back dito sa ating video. Today we are going to talk about kung paano ba tayo mag-remove ng background dito sa Canva. So all we need to do is go to canva.com first so that we can remove the background. And pag-remove ng background guys is dapat po naka-Canva Pro po tayo. And hindi po siya ma-remove if you are not using a Canva Pro. So in order for us to do that, kailangan natin na naka-Pro yung Canva. So in order for you to make a Pro account, all you need to do is go here sa Canva and then log in and then go to account settings, and then you can just basically upgrade to a paid subscription dun sa ating Canva na account. So here we are in our Canva na platform na dashboard. So the first thing that you are going to do is, for example lang, you're going to make a Facebook post and then kailangan mo na i-remove yung background in a particular picture. Let's say for example, we are going to make a poster. Let's go to Google. And then search natin ang, let's say for example, LeBron James. Kasi Lakers ako eh. Then we're going to look for images. And then let's look for a picture na something clear. I think this one is clear. Yep, very clear. So all we need to do is grab this picture. What if kailangan natin siya i-remove ng background? So all we need to do is simply copy this image, and then we are going to go back sa Canva, and then let's say for example we're going to create a design na ang size natin is 1080 by 1080, which is square or Instagram or Facebook na size. So usually yun yung mga ginagamit natin, especially if you're doing or if you're making ads sa Facebook or Instagram. So square yung kailangan natin. So we're gonna open up a new tab, tool it up, and then remember that the previous image na nakuha mo is na-copy mo na, diba? So all you have to do is paste it here. So Control V lang if you're using a PC, and Command V lang if you're using a Mac. So yan, boom, nakita ko na. Okay? So yan yung background niya. So we're gonna make this one bigger. Okay, so usually before ako mag remove ng background, I'll see to it na hindi white yung background natin para makuha talaga yung background color niya. So it's really up to you, pero for me I usually change the color, and by clicking this one here sa blank, and then click here sa color, and then let's say we're going to add that one, no, sa suggested colors niya. So in order for us to do this, to remove the background, kailangan natin i-click yan, and then click natin yung edit image. May nakalagay dito na background remover, stands for background. Click natin yan, and then wait for it to load. Yeah, it may take a while, depende sa internet or depende sa pag-process niya in removing the background, pero natapos din yan. So yan. So as you can see here guys, yung remove ng background niya is very much clear, no? Wala siyang tawag dyan, wala siyang nakalagay ng mga edges. That's why yung Canva Pro talaga is very much legit. I pwede man ito magagamit sa Photoshop, pero when Canva announced na pwede na tayo maka-remove ng background, I was really excited about this kasi nga ito yung mga struggles ko since I'm not a Photoshop guy. So medyo nahirapan talaga ako na to like remove the background. So you can remove the background. May tatawag dati tayo na remove.bg, yung website na na-recommend ko before, but as you can see after a few years yung Canva na is available na po, pero you are going to subscribe doon sa Pro account. Alright, so if you're satisfied with this design, you can click here, click yung apply, and then you have your background removed already. So you can just home, and then yan, no? So if we're just gonna add another background dyan sa likod, pwede tayo maka-search ng, let's say for example Lakers, kasi Lakers among team niya. So for example, ito yung let's say for example yan, click natin yan, and then change natin yung background, boom, yun, di ba? So pwede natin na bawasan yung transparency niya. and then we can also edit the image sa likod, and we can apply brightness or whatever na i-design nyo din. So this is gonna be another course, but there you go. So you can remove the background easily using Canva Pro. So I hope na meron kayo naintindihan about this, and yeah, we can just simple lang. Again, if you're going to add Luka Doncic NBA fan ako guys, ha. Luka yung isa sa mga tao na let's say for example this one, okay? All you need to do is to make sure lang na clear yung image. All you need to do is copy and then paste it to your, so for example dyan dito sa Canva, kasi automatic na po siya na mag-paste dyan, okay? And then once it's loaded already, click na rin dyan. All you need to do is click the image again, and then edit image, and then BG remover. Click it, then wait for it to load, and there you have it. Pag ka na sa result, all you need to do is click here sa apply para makuha mo na. Alright, so yeah, I think that's it for this video guys. If you have any questions regarding this is just a very basic na removing background using Canva account. So I hope na meron kayong natutunan dito sa short tutorial natin, and hopefully we can make this an official poster, no? Para tingnan natin kung saan naabot yung design mo sa Canva. I am not personally a designer, pero I love creating designs, and again, I think most of my students know about this, na hindi ako like particular talaga sa editing kasi I'm a color blind person. So hindi ako maka-identify ng color, but I like, doing stuff dito sa Canva and any other software. Pero usually ito talaga yung ginagamit ko ever since I started working online. Yung Canva talaga yung number one na web app na ginagamit ko as of the moment. So yeah, that's it for this episode guys. See you in my next video. God bless.